Paul is saying, Christ agaha braguru. It will profit you not to read it again.
Behold, I, Paul, tell you that if you receive circumcision, Christ will profit you nothing.
Jidieba. Can you use another translation? Let us see what the translation says. Because we have not even started.
You will I will bring wait, I don't know where our pastors, I don't know where they are. I don't know why they are living. Look, don't worry. Let me go to another.
I will show you somewhere in the Old Testament that confirmed that Jesus was hanged on a tree. That is why you see this one. Look at, listen. That's why in a jar phone car.
Yes.
And we also see this one. Yes, these are the confusion. They are confused.
Jesus, who hanged him?
Okay.